Alrighty everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. So finished off in this unit today. Just stripping again all day. But I did kind of want to give you an example instead of just telling you that I stripped. Just give you an example of what exactly I'm doing here. Basically just taking this little garbage box around with me. And I'll just do this one over here. This might be a little bit noisier. So just going around, putting the box right there. Actually, I need to grab the strippers because I took those out because I was done working. So I did get a second pair of strippers. I don't know if they're actually mine or not, but so I got these right here, which I've been using. Those are mine. And then there's this other pair right here. The difference is these go to, this is not focusing, but these go from size 18 to size 10. Can't really see that up there. Then these other ones go from a size 12, 10, 8, 6, 14. So you can cut pretty big with these to a size 6 right there. And basically the only reason I have these is for cutting these stove wire, the size 8. And then these ones over here from 18 to 10, like I said. So mostly all the wire in here is size 12, so on these ones I'll be stripping down here, and on these ones the 12 is up here at the top. So it's a little bit different. I'm not sure which one I like better. I mean, actually I know which one I like better. I like these ones better. So probably just use these for cutting the stove and that's it. It is kind of nice having this little lock right here, but for the most part it's kind of in the way. If I'm going to cut out one of these boxes or whatever, clean out one of the boxes and drag the edge. If this isn't pushed in, this will drag against the wall and scratch the wall. So anyways, I'll show you this here in a second. So I was probably gonna make a comparison video, but maybe I just gave it away, so maybe not. But anyways, so what we're doing here is just taking the strippers here, and before you pull out the wire, just kind of drag this along the outside. Drag all these crusties off right here because these are pretty hard and will make the plug plate sit out against the wall, or sit off the wall so it doesn't look flush. So kind of just drag this back and forth. You get all of this straight. It kind of takes some time. Sometimes some of them have no problems, but most of them you have to clean these out pretty well until you see the edge. Then you know it's kind of ground down and nice and soft. So I'm kind of doing this one-handed here, but just kind of just do this with the strippers. And then after I do that, I kind of just run my finger along it, make sure it's all smooth, make sure I don't feel any more bumps or whatnot. I should probably use gloves because my fingers are going to be killing me here. They're starting to get sore after doing this for 2 days. And just feel it, make sure there's no other bumps or whatnot. Like I found the bump right there. I'm gonna scratch that off a little bit. Scratch that a little bit more. So kind of just go like that, get that all smooth, and then pull out the wires, make sure they're not damaged. As you can see, this one is kind of damaged right there. Kind of got cut up when they cut the box out. So if there's any damaged wire, make sure to cut that off. So just cut it right after that, right before that. And then try to get all your garbage in the box here. So kind of just go through these. I'm probably not gonna be able to show you all this, but kind of match them if you found a damaged one, but if it's too short, then don't. But if you can, then go for it. So kind of match those all up, and then you're gonna just strip these 4 out and then clean the ground off clean the paint off of the ground, and then curl all of these. I obviously can't do that one-handed, but that's the idea. If you spill anything, throw it in the box. But it's pretty controllable. If you're stripping these out, you can kind of just shoot them straight down into the box for the most part, and then at the end of the day, if there's any other thing, it goes around and vacuums this up. So that's kind of the idea of what I've been doing here. So all the plugs get curled, like I said, the last couple days, and the switches just get the ground curled, and then the other ones are straight. So That's pretty much what we're working on here. So hopefully you enjoyed. This took a little bit longer than I thought, but maybe I'll do a comparison video on the strippers, but probably not because I kind of already went through that. But that wraps up my day, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Hit a new record yesterday of 1,938 views or something like that. Shooting for 2,000, but a little bit shy, and I think we hit 600,000 views yesterday. So guys, thank you so much. It's awesome. I appreciate the support. It means a lot to me, like a lot. And yeah, that should do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alrighty, guys, back home. But I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but it was a good day. Doing the same thing, but for some reason today went by a lot faster. Yesterday was really painful, but today went by pretty smoothly. So just had to throw that out there. Also got my new hair ties because those are baller. Favorite color. Let's go. So I might do a review on those. Stay tuned. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.